All of us life forms are kin to both birds and dinosaurs. But newly reported research in the journal Science confirms that birds and theropods were especially close kin. In fact, the closest living relative to the predators that terrorized your cinema screen in the movie Jurassic Park, you may have actually had for lunch. That is, modern-day birds. Birds are closer related to theropods than theropods are to surviving reptiles. Birds' close yet unkissable cousins include Tyrannosaurus rex, velociraptors, and Deinonychus. Comparative anatomy of skeletal material and fabulous 19th century fossil finds suggested to early naturalists like T.H. Huxley that birds had descended from dinosaurs, and in recent years, few paleontologists would have argued that birds had not descended from either dinosaurs or proto-dinosaurs. On a broad genealogical level, a kinship between birds and dinosaurs is clear from the existence of feathered dinosaurs, including a treasure trove discovered of late in China, including Velociraptor. But this new information provides even stronger and confirming evidence of a molecular kind, that birds are closely related to these kings of the Mesozoic, dethroned by the great extinction event of 65 million years ago. About a year ago, scientists reported evidence from an early Tyrannosaurus rex leg bone, collected in 2003 by famed dinosaur hunter John Horner, that had soft tissue, including flexible blood vessels that had been preserved under surprisingly good and atypical conditions. Laboratory analysis of this specimen is now paying off. While fragments of DNA are not obtainable because DNA easily deteriorates, scientists have successfully identified protein using mass spectrometry. By comparing this protein with that of modern animals, relative kinship was determined. Ostriches and chickens are members of markedly different groups of bird, ostriches being closely allied to cassowaries, emus, moas, and other ratites, while chickens are closely tied to songbirds. Tests confirm that both ostriches and chickens, and therefore all living birds, are closer related to T-Rex than alligators or lizards, and therefore other similar reptiles. Harvard's John Asara was quoted as saying in the New York Times, quote, "Our results at the genetic level basically agree with what has been seen in skeletal data. There is more than a 90% probability that the grouping of T-Rex with living birds is real." The exciting thing about evolution, and science more generally, is that you never need to take a single person's word as truth. Before important ideas are widely accepted, it takes multiple lines of different types of evidence to come to the same conclusion. With this rare molecular evidence, scientists now have confirmed what was clear from well over a century of comparative and anatomical study of fossil bones, feather impressions, and living birds. This is an exciting time to be alive.